Welcome to ShareInvestor Station. We at ShareInvestor would like to wish everyone a Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. For this joyous occasion, here is our Hari Raya promotion. Sign up to ShareInvestor Station for 12 months and you will automatically receive a free additional month. This promotion is valid from 25th May to 8th of June 2020. To sign up, all you need to do is watch this video and follow these steps. First, head over to www.shareinvestor.com/my. Once you're there, choose Share Investor Station, the blue button. Click on it. And now you are at the membership page. On the membership page, you may select your desired period of 6 or 12 months. And then you have the options of choosing market data for Malaysia only or global markets too. When you are done with your options, click on the subscribe button to proceed to the payment page. To make payments, select Visa or MasterCard. Other payment methods such as online banking or e-wallets are also available. Once the payment has been made, check your inbox for a confirmation email. And upon receiving that email, you can begin to download and install ShareInvestor Station directly onto your computer. To download this program, go back to www.shareinvestor.com/my. Once there, click on the blue station logo at the top and you will come to this page. Scroll down and you will see a button called Download Station. Click on it and your download will begin. For new users, you will receive your password via SMS, so make sure you key in your phone number correctly. Now, the next step is log into ShareInvestor Station program and you are good to go. Happy investing!